Hey there, I hope all is well. Today we're shaking things up with my own twist on the classic Greek frappe. If you're ready for a delicious adventure in a cup, stick around because this iced coffee is about to become your new favorite coffee-inspired drink. So, what are we throwing into this magical concoction? Let's check out our lineup. 6 ounces of strong room temp dark roasted coffee, the bolder the better, a generous cup and a half of ice, a cheeky splash of vanilla extract, 1.5 ounces of coffee creamer. Go wild with your favorite kind. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to add some depth and sweetness, a splash of Irish whiskey, because why not? Optional, but highly recommended, and a couple of cracks of salt to balance everything out. All right, let's get this party started. First things first, we need a blender. Any blender would do. Now, let's put this drink all together. In goes 6 ounces of strong room temp dark roast coffee, or a couple of shots of espresso. Your call. I think a mocha pot will actually work too. Next up, a mountain of ice. Well, okay, a couple and a half, but who's counting? This is what's gonna make our frappe frosty, or this is what's gonna make our frappe cold. We want it cold, right? And that's what's gonna make our frappe a frappe. Time for a splash of vanilla extract. Just a dash would do. Let's get creamy. I'm adding 1.5 ounces of coffee creamer. Use whatever makes your heart happy. Almond, oat, dairy, you name it. Doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Now for a sprinkle of magic, a teaspoon of cocoa powder, because everything is better with a hint of chocolate. Sweeten the deal with a tablespoon of brown sugar. This adds a rich sweetness. And now the fun part, a splash of Irish whiskey. Totally optional, but it adds a warm kick that'll take this frappe to the next level. I also recommend any brown type of liquor, okay? A few cracks of salt might sound odd, but trust me, it pulls all the flavors together like a symphony in your mouth. Don't skip this step, please. Extremely critical. Lid on tight, let's blend. We'll blend it on high speed for a minute. And done. Look at that creamy, dreamy goodness. Moment of truth. Sips. Oh wow. This is next level amazing. The bold coffee, the sweetness from the brown sugar and cocoa, that hint of vanilla, and the warmth of Irish whiskey. It's like a party in my mouth. I know this is a Greek drink and I'm using Irish whiskey. Again, use whichever brown drink you want. Trust me, just try it with some liquor. And that salt. Yes, it is genius. If I do have to say so myself, it makes all the flavors sing. It really does bring everything together. Definitely don't skip this step again. Please listen. And you guys have to try this at home. It's super easy, incredibly tasty, and just a thing to jazz up your day. If you enjoyed this little coffee adventure, let me know about it. Got your own coffee concoction? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Talk to you later. Bye.